Where can I place a backup generator? Placement of a generator can be tricky. It has to do with the safety of the home and occupants more than anything. A generator is an engine that creates heat and carbon monoxide exhaust. The unit must have adequate ventilation from anything that may cause it to overheat. Generators need proper air clearances to run, so please be aware. The main things that we look for are clearance from any combustible materials like siding, decks, plants, and trees, clearance from any intake air like doors, windows, and vents, clearance from any equipment that may need servicing like an electrical or gas meter, any restrictions that may cause the unit to overheat, any conditions that may cause it to have flooding or excess snow cover, visual aesthetic and the least amount of upkeep, and noise reduction and lifestyle. We also look at the economic conditions. This means we are looking for the cheapest placement of the unit. We will try and find the best location at the most economical price that fits all of your needs.